A predicate in a sentence or clause tells you what a subject does or is. You could also say that the predicate is everything that's not the subject. So to give you an example, in the sentence, the email contained many interesting details, the email is the subject, and contained many interesting details is the predicate. In the sentence, the applicants for the job were skilled programmers, the applicants for the job is the subject, and were skilled programmers is the predicate. What faulty predication means is that a sentence's predicate doesn't logically complete its subject, and there are three causes for it. 1. Incorrect use of be. 2. Incorrect use of is when and is where. And 3. The use of the reason in combination with is because. So let's start with number 1. Incorrect use of be. Faulty predication often occurs in sentences with a linking verb, a form of to be, for example, in combination with a subject complement, like in this example. Political corruption and economic decline were the downfall of the Roman Empire. What the writer says here is that political corruption and economic decline were the downfall of the Roman Empire, as if the downfall of the Roman Empire described or identified the subject, political corruption and economic decline. While in fact what the writer meant to say was that they were the reasons for the downfall. What the sentence should have been is, political corruption and economic decline caused the downfall of the Roman Empire. Number 2. This type of faulty predication often occurs when the writer presents a definition that includes a construction with is when or is where. Like here. Arachnophobia is when a person has a fear of spiders and other arachnids. When defining something, is must be preceded and followed by nouns or noun phrases, which is not the case here. So the sentence could be rewritten like this. Arachnophobia is the fear of spiders and other arachnids. Now, the fear of spiders and other arachnids defines arachnophobia. Number 3, using the reason in combination with is because leads to a similar problem, as you can see in this sentence. The reason they overeat is because they are bored. When the phrase the reason is precedes because, like in the example, the word because means for the reason that, so the writer is saying the same thing twice. This is why because should be deleted, and the sentence would look like this. The reason they overeat is that they are bored.